An energy conservation kit, or water conservation kit for that matter, is a pre-packaged bundle of assorted energy and water savers. A kit can be tailored to an energy efficiency program. It can be catered or tailored to an indoor water conservation program, an outdoor water conservation program, a weatherization program. It might be some products from all of those categories.
I work with several different companies and suppliers trying to find the best quality at the best price. We work with economies of scale, so we're able to buy large quantities of products and get low cost, which we can then pass on to our customers. We visit all of our factories and suppliers to make sure that they have good quality products, and they meet a lot of standards depending on the product, like Energy Star, DLC for lighting, WaterSense for water products, and then we're always testing them. We have our engineer testing the products just to make sure we're providing good quality to our customers.
We've got a 100,000 square foot warehouse with over 300 different energy efficient products, water products, weatherization products, and lighting products. Every kit we make is custom. It's custom to the utility or to the client so that the kit comes from them. It does not come from AM. We'll customize labels, literature, inserts, the box. Once we have the go-ahead to build the kit, we go into our process of turning that kit around as fast as possible. Our average turnaround time on a kit is 5 to 10 days. We have 8 tables across 2 shifts. So essentially we are operating 80 hours a week. Average kit production in 2018 was about 7,000 kits a day, or over 2 million kits. If it's a direct-to-homeowner kit, we print our FedEx labels ahead of time. We apply those to the kit on the assembly line, and they go straight to a FedEx truck that's picked up every day. And then there's other cases where we deliver the kits in bulk to, say, a program manager or utility that wants to pass out the kits themselves. We will build pallets and wrap them and then send them LTL directly to the client. A lot of these kit programs, it's not just about picking and packing and shipping. It's about customization, it's about on-time delivery, it's about reporting afterwards and tracking reporting and whatever the customer needs.
Sort of in the same vein that ordering products with a traditional online store would be where people are at these days in terms of how they like to interact with a vendor, if you will, like a utility. It was a really natural fit for another way to get someone, to give someone the opportunity to enroll in a kit program. They go online, they see the kit, just like they would, any other sort of product, whether it be a thermostat or a light bulb or a shower head or a power strip or anything else, and they enroll in it. So they go through, the same sort of validation, so only that utility's customers can participate. You can have a whole host of educational resources on there. I mean, not only can you give the actual details and the spec sheets of all the products in the kit, if you want to give like blog information or you want to cross-promote other programs, not just your kit program, but maybe you've got a direct install program, a demand response program. So you get the T-stat, you can enroll in demand response programs. It just makes the whole customer journey that much more, I think, a positive customer experience when they can, number one, get a free kit, and then just take the next step and say, hey, I want to outfit the rest of my house with those cool light bulbs or the shower heads, and I can go ahead and order another one and either take advantage of an instant rebate that the utility offers, or just buy it at full retail, which oftentimes people are willing to do. We're the manufacturer of a lot of the products that go into these kits, so they're going to get a really cost advantageous price.
I think one of the most important but understated roles of kits is the role that it plays in introducing their clients to their other suite of programs that might be a little more complicated than just receiving a kit and installing shower heads, aerators, LED bulbs, etc. In terms of the impacts on the environment, kits help reduce the amount of fuel used to produce or generate electricity, and then 2, it helps us sort of reduce pollution, reduce our carbon footprint, reduce greenhouse gases associated with generating electricity.
I think we serve an important role, and we've got tens of millions of products out in the field to help people use fewer, less water, less energy, less strain on, you know, the natural resources to power the power plant?
I don't know if I would qualify myself as a tree hugger, but I do have feelings about, you know, what we need to be doing collectively to improve the planet and keep the planet as pristine as possible for our kids and our kids' kids.
At AM Conservation Group, we have two key things that we're always focused on. First, we have to help our utility clients meet their goals. Second, we have to delight the utility customers in that process. This boils down to really two basic things. We have to deliver great products and great customer service. If we can do those two things, we get the side benefit of helping all people save the world's natural resources. And that feels pretty good to our company, and that really drives and motivates us every day.